Hello, so the next question is, a student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. The mean scale reading is 5 mm and the zero of circular scale division coincides with the 25 divisions above the reference level. If the screw gauge has zero error of minus 0.004 centimeter, the correct diameter of the ball is. So the correct answer is 0.529. How? So we know that the least count is 0.001 centimeter, and M and R we have main scale reading is 5 mm with 25 divisions, and we know that the error is minus 0.004 centimeter. So observed reading will be M plus R into least count, which is 0.525. Now the actual reading, we have to take in consideration the zero error, so 0.525 plus 0.004, which comes out to be 0.529 centimeter. Okay, thank you.